Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add products on Hostinger. Whether you're brand new to selling online or already running a store, this step is super important for managing your inventory. So yeah, let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head to Hostinger's website. In the top corner, click the login button and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard. It's pretty user friendly, so don't worry if this is your first time here. From the home section, you'll see all the tools to manage your site. Now, look for the option labeled website. Click on it to access your site settings. This is where you'll manage your store. In the website settings, find and click Manage Store. This is your control center for everything: products, settings, inventory. It's all here. Inside the store management area, click on the products section. This is where you can add new items or edit existing ones. Now for the fun part, click on the plus add product button. A new window will pop up asking for all the details about your product. Enter the name, price, description, and upload images of your product. Take your time here. Adding clear info and good pictures makes a huge difference for customers. And that's it. You've added a product to your Hostinger store. Once you practice this a couple times, it'll feel super quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple e-commerce tips. Happy selling!